In times of crisis, when the stock market is volatile and inflation is creeping higher, many retirees are concerned about protecting their hard earned savings. You're likely asking yourself, how can I preserve my retirement money when the economy is uncertain? Well, the answer lies in gold and silver, two of the most reliable assets for safeguarding wealth during times of economic turmoil. If you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, and you haven't considered gold and silver, you might want to rethink your strategy. These precious metals have been used for thousands of years as a hedge against inflation and market instability. While traditional stocks and bonds can lose value quickly during a downturn, gold and silver tend to hold their ground or even increase in value. One of the most effective ways to invest in gold and silver is through a gold IRA. Unlike a regular IRA, a gold IRA allows you to hold physical gold, silver, platinum, or palladium as part of your retirement savings. This is crucial because it's not tied to the stock market, meaning it won't lose value just because the market does. If you're like many Americans concerned about the longevity of your retirement funds, now is the time to explore gold IRAs as a safe haven. Click the first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and consultation. It's tailored specifically for retirees looking to secure their wealth during uncertain times. Now, you might be wondering how gold and silver stack up against other forms of wealth preservation, like real estate or bonds. While real estate can offer long-term value, it's not always liquid. And during a crisis, the real estate market can freeze up, leaving you stuck. Bonds can be another option, but they're tied to interest rates, which are unpredictable and can leave you with lower returns during a crisis. In comparison, gold and silver are highly liquid, meaning you can quickly convert them into cash if needed, and their value often rises when the economy is in trouble. Also remember that gold and silver have an intrinsic value that isn't dependent on any government or financial institution. When currencies collapse or lose value due to inflation, gold and silver are typically the last assets standing. Historically, gold has outperformed the stock market during periods of crisis. In fact, during the 2008 financial crash, gold surged while other assets plummeted. For American retirees, especially those with 100K or more in their IRA or 401K, gold IRAs are an ideal option. They allow you to diversify your retirement portfolio in a way that protects against the volatility of the stock market. This is especially important for those of us who don't have the luxury of waiting decades for a recovery. If you've been thinking about your future, gold and silver may be the key to ensuring that your wealth remains protected no matter what the market throws at you. If you want to learn why thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, again, click the link in the description. It's free and could be the first step in securing a worry-free retirement. To wrap up, if you're in a position where you have over 100 KO in retirement savings, or even 5 mailers or more in assets, now is the time to act. The market is unpredictable, and those who don't take steps to secure their savings now could face losses in the future. Gold and silver aren't just a backup option. They're the most reliable way to preserve your wealth in uncertain times. Don't wait. Click the link in the description to get your free guide and start protecting your savings today.